Sometimes monitoring simple operations can slip by observes, and this issue directly affects production speed and the quality. To create two holes with a diameter of 11 mm, workers here must first mark the spots, then start drilling with a 4 mm bit, and after that they should use an 8 mm bit, followed by an 11 mm bit to finish the holes for attaching the installation brackets to the chassis. I have designed and built a device at the customer's request that simultaneously performs drilling with greater quality and speed.